Hulu. Hi, it's Monday. I'm bringing on pre-workout. You are filthy. Come here. How'd you look now? Wonderful. It's Monday. There's no news. I'm back in the car. Again. Bringing on pre-workout. Yeah, this pre-workout's done the opposite of what it was supposed to. Normally, it just makes you fucking woo buzzing, but today, it's just, I was like kind of hyped before going to the gym. I wasn't very energized, but I was hyped. So I took some pre-workout to make me energized. All the hype just went to the floor. I've just been in a deep state of philosophy and thinking since. Workout was dreadful. Oh well. Sure you guys don't care. Sure you just want to see some trading. I can do that for you. I can try and show you some trading. Shall I show you some trading? Shall I show you how it works? Why is this not working? Yay! You guys don't really care about the side caps, do you? No need for that. Let me try and cut that out. Cool. God. So God. Let's do some analysis. Market opened. Just fucking exploded on both. Not quite sure why, but it did. Here comes the light again. Oops. Yeah, it just exploded. Holy fuck. Just want it. Ah, man. I don't know if I'm gonna be locked in yet. New week opening gap. New week opening gap. Also just got this fast fair value gap too, which is a thing. Cool. 3 o'clock in the morning was that? Ooh, interesting. Fast 1 hour fair value gap. Interesting. Another fast 1 hour fair value gap. Now we swept this daily high. Obviously the bias is still bullish, but we have had a liquidity sweep on the higher time frames. Therefore, can't be so sure about how this is going to play out, whether this is bearish or bullish. Go on the 15-minute. Try and mark ourselves out some lows. I guess not actually. Oh, there we go. Thank you. 15-minute low is the fair value gap being tapped into. Wonderful. Can I see London lows on here? I'm gonna guess this is London low. Oh, too good, too good. Highly doubt it's gonna go down there. Obviously, we've got this SMT going on right now. This is swept low. This is swept low. This hasn't swept low or tapped into the fair value gap. High here. Let's mark these highs out. And with 1 minute to spare, or 25 seconds to spare, down to the 1 minute time frame. At last. Boop, boop. Marking out that there. And marking out the beginning of our macro. Cool. SMT, bullish SMT. Is this a lot of volume? I'm going to assume this is a heck of a lot of volume. Oh wow, nice. Can you see? Yeah, this is a lot. 930 was a dive bomb, which I'm pretty convinced that that's just a liquidity sweep. Lower liquidity. For everyone who thinks they're cool and bought entries today, like after it spiked, everyone's like, whoa! I woke up with a bunch of notifications. Oh my god, the Nasdaq's up 2.5%. Oh my god, ES is up 1.25%. Whoa, guys, bye. So, obviously, when everyone says bye, that's the perfect opportunity to sell. Now, yeah, drive the price lower, buy at a discount, and keep going higher. Isn't that right, guys? Isn't that right? Something along those lines, I don't fucking know. I don't know what I'm doing. I just draw lines on a page and it somehow makes me money. It's not even true. I'm still yet to have a payout, so it doesn't make me money as far as I'm concerned. Anyways, I'm gonna shut up and I'll come back when something happens. We're kind of getting something forming here. Yeah, if I close above this high, so market structure shift to the upside. There is pretty clear displacement. We've obviously had the fair value gap here. There's not really a breakers. There, low, high, lower, low. Oh yeah, higher, high here. Here's the breaker. Yeah, I want to see this closed above as well. And obviously, there's the bullish fair value gap. The only issue with this trade, with this setup, is not the setup. It's me. My head is extremely foggy. It's kind of full right now. It's not very clear. I'm not very mentally clear. So I feel like I'm gonna miss some key information. My setup here, so my confidence levels in this are quite low, and my confidence levels in myself are quite low. So if I enter this, I'll be stressed to the fucking max. So I don't know how to deal with this one. I don't know if I should just observe. You know, there's always tomorrow. This doesn't go well. I'm going to be doing this for the next few years. I've got how many days to try this? It's 52 weeks, 52 times 5. I've got 250 days almost to try my hand at getting a bit of money. If I miss one day because my brain's a bit shit, then that's kind of reasonable. I can come back tomorrow. There's no rush. That said, if I miss a killer setup, I'll be annoyed. But if I was going to take a loss, I'll be annoyed. If I get a W, I won't really be that happy. Although I've never really been that too gassed about getting wins. I suppose I will feel something, is what I'm trying to say, if I enter. Hovering around this high, obviously we've got the close on, we're about to get the close above on ES2. It's about to close above this high here on NQ. I want it to close above this high too on ES, which it is clearly going to. Yep, this is exactly what I'm looking for. I would like to see the fair value gap made now. It'd be nice if this was the fair value gap. Let's set up a cheeky little one of these. Find a good place for stops. Stop loss just here, above this breaker. Below this breaker, sorry. That's not on right. Yeah, I should mark this out as a breaker. Just on this candle low. Obviously the fair value gap needs to be made first. Do not want one. Oh, I cannot change my contracts here. And obviously we got the setup here on ES occurring too, so if ES taps into, I'll also be ready to buy. Keeping an eye out on both. It is clearly marching higher, quite convincingly here. It's not come back down on ES either. Technically we've got a fair value gap created here. I do not want to enter off that one. Me personally, I don't want to enter off that one. I would like to enter off this one. There we go. Oh, right on it. Perfect. Sell 2 here. Please. There we go. And our first take profit. Gonna make this high here. Although, to be honest, might get stopped out immediately here. Yeah. Okay, stopped out literally straight away. Woo! That's annoying. Oh well. That's okay. Can't win them all. Great start to the week. So be it. So be it. And that's my trade for today. 0 in the green. Fuck yeah. I actually think that was a pretty decent setup. I can't really think of a way where I'll maybe come back and analyze this later and see where I fucked up, if I did fuck up anywhere. But I actually think that was pretty decent. We've got clear market structure shift higher. We've got a sweep of liquidity this 50 minutes tapped into this 4 hour. I think this is a 4 hour. Is it 4 hour? No, this is a 1 hour. It's tapped into the 1 hour. Obviously, London lows haven't been swept, but that's okay. The bias is obviously bullish. Yeah, I think I just got quite unlucky with how far down it went into my stop loss. Where was I stopped out? Nope, not there. Down there. Let's see. So just 23 handles. That's actually not that bad. My stop loss completely mitigated the entire the win I had last week, but so be it. That's okay. Losses are built into trading after all. Let's see. I want to see if this actually would have played out and I just got unlucky, or if it was just gonna keep going lower. Because I'm not fully convinced about. I guess what you could have. You know what? You know where I did miss out my thinking is the fact that we've swept higher liquidity. Oh, yeah, we swept high time for liquidity on both ES and NQ. So that's obviously a big indication that we might go lower, especially considering sort of in a higher time frame setting, we've almost consolidated on here on ES. It stayed within this little range, and it looks like it might begin to go lower. Yeah, that's maybe one thing I completely overlooked. Shit. Oh well. Yeah, I did completely overlook that. Big mistake from there. Well, at least I know I've made it. Fantastic. How long have I been recording for? Only 21 minutes and I've already fucking lost. Ooh, damn. Thank you for watching me lose money. I'm dead inside. No, I'm not. Alright. Cheers. Peace out. I'm not coming back for second macro. That's my only trade of the day. I'm not trading twice. Win or lose, I only trade once. Peace out.